Hello guys, Archana here. A warm welcome to another Holy Pious treat by Archie Radha just for you. Guys, you must be thinking she's telling treat and she's just giving doses of philosophy. But these are authentic doses and यही काम आने वाला है. Yes, I mean it. Guys, in last episodes we have concluded all the yamas, all 10th yamas, that is first ang of Maharshi Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga. Those are the universal principles, and now we are going towards niyama. These are personal rules, personal principles about personal purification, we can say. Yes, on this path, purification, cleanliness. If you clean your desk, you will feel enthusiastic while working. It is your daily routine experience. You must be experiencing that. Now you have to clean our mind, our body, and that's why the first niyama in Maharshi Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga is Shaucha. Actually, literally means it's a word that passing of stool. Literally Shauch means it is not literally meaning we are taking over here. Shaucha means purity of body, oral purity and purity of mind. How we are going to do that, we will just see. Physical cleanliness is a must. Taking bath on daily basis. Now you must have seen what has happened in this pandemic period. Always within half an hour, wash your hands. Just washing by hands, we can keep coronavirus far away from ourselves. Then washing our body, keeping our body clean, we can keep so many diseases away from us. We will feel rejuvenated, enthralled, vivacious after having bath. That is very much external physical cleanliness. And how internally we can do that? Internal cleanliness is also important. Yes, when it is possible, when your GIT, gastrointestinal tract, is clear, you are away from constipation. Constipation is a mother of so many diseases actually. When we can avoid this constipative tendencies, when you will eat right at right time, at right quantity, at right level, and to suit your health, that is your prakriti. What is suitable for your prakriti, you must eat that. Then only you can keep your internal GIT, gastrointestinal tract, in a very clean manner, and internal and external physical cleanliness completes on this space. Now we will jump to oral purification. What is oral purification? Nowadays, first of all, I'm not going to blame youth. What I want to tell from bottom of my heart, I am requesting you, especially youth. Nowadays, gali galoj, abusing words is a new cool, I think. Why do you think like that? Do you know it just shows your mental and emotional frustration. You are lacking so many things in yourself. That is the indication of these kind of language. Otherwise, nobody can be happy using abusive words. Why do you do that? I don't understand. Why, while I observe the people who start their words with all the sentences with F words, I feel zapped. How can they speak like this? It's a sign of frustration. First, to improve our kids' language, we have to peep in our hearts that what the kids are lacking, we must provide ample of love, affection they need. They are lacking that somewhere. They are lacking that cuddling, that love. That's why they are abusing. That's why they are starting their language with all the efforts. So I am requesting the parents especially, just pay heed towards that. Now, congestion of thoughts constipation of thoughts also is very dangerous, because we are going towards thought process, mental process. And in our scriptures, there are 6 enemies: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsar. I will explain it in English. Kama is excess passion. Krodha, anger. Lobha, greed. Moha, infatuation. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, pride. And Matsar, feeling envy or having malice. They are enemies because they make you restless. Anger burns your blood. Greed makes you seeking all the time, craving. And don't confuse with kama. Kama, passion. Because passion, kama is purushartha in our culture. Yeah. Why it is included in purushartha also, and now it is included as an enemy also. How can it be possible? Yes, when you consume the pleasure from person in front of you and you just seek pleasure, then it becomes lust, and it is dangerous. It will never make you peaceful, joyful. You can take pleasure, but you will never feel a joy out of that. So this enemy, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsar, you have to keep away this enemy. This is not a very simple process. It is a process, and it's a lengthy process. We have to practice consistently. Just decide, I won't be angry for a day. Leave it. It is not possible at a first glance. Just for next hour, I won't be angry. Just determine for yourself. Just doing this, working on your mind, working on your thought process, you can program. We can program our mind. I'm going through that process. Last 18 years, guys, I'm going through all these processes. I'm not just talking here. Yeah, I'm just following. I'm working on myself. I'm working on my physique. I'm working on my mind. I'm working on my strength by this yoga patha. That's why today I am little bit able to tell you, because I have seen so many benefits from that, and where today I stand, it means a lot to me. Don't boil your blood. Again, don't say again I am giving you the doses of philosophy. It is essential. Suppose you are playing some game. In game, there is particular space to play the game. There are certain rules. There is a timing for that particular game. Life is just a game. Birth is entry, death is exit. Within this particular space and time, you have to play your role with rules and regulations. That's why yam and niyam are essential, because without rules, if we play game, it is not worth. If you break the rule, you have to lose the points, isn't it? The same thing happens in life also. That's why yam and niyam are very essential, because in this game of life, we have to win. We have to win not the world, ourselves. And I want to dedicate this song for first niyam. Yes, one of my favorite songs. होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जहाँ दिल में सफाई रहती है. हम उस देश के वासी है, हम उस देश के वासी है, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. वो लोग जो ज्यादा जानते हैं, इंसान को कम पहचानते हैं. वो लोग जो ज्यादा जानते हैं, इंसान को कम पहचानते हैं. ये पूरब है, पूरब वाले हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं, हर जान की कीमत जानते हैं. मिलजुल के रहो और प्यार करो, एक चीज यही जो रहती है. हम उस देश के वासी है, हम उस देश के वासी है जिस देश में गंगा बहती. So guys, how do you feel about first niyam? How it is essential, why it is essential? I have elaborated all this. And for the new niyam, just subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share it. Please spread this. This is authentic knowledge and it is very essential. It was very essential, it is very essential and it will very essential. All the very best. Take care of your health. Bye-bye for now. Love you all.